Well, I've very nearly finished my cake box challenge. Yes, it might be a bit of a day late, but I'm literally just adding the final few details. So whilst I'm adding those, let's have a look at the entries to this year's cake box challenge. So that was our entries, and I will reveal the winner of this year's cake box challenge in a couple of minutes. Because first I thought I'd like to show you my colliard, which is my, well, it's not an entry, but it's what I've produced on the cake box board for this year. I've used as many products as I can from the Northwestern Models range, but I have had to buy in a couple of other products from elsewhere. So I'll start with, well, obviously we have the baseboard, which you all saw on the very first video. It's 8x8, so I've gone for the full size, and I've used the Ann Corton coal staiths and the Ann Corton Models Weybridge Hut and Weybridge. I've also used the Dapple Old Airfix Mineral Wagon kit, and on the back there we also have a Unit Models 3D printed buffer stop. Additionally, there's also the Ann Corton Models Coal Merchants wagon as well. So when I decided to do the colliard, I thought, okay, it's going to be quite an interesting one because there's quite a number of items on here which are quite popular, such as the P&D Coleman and scales, which are on here. So we've got the two Coleman and the scales are there as well. And I've also used the BT Models coal sacks because I had them available. So when I was building it, I used an old piece of track for the wagon to sit on, and I thought, well, I need to obviously have coal, and I thought, well, I can use the coal load which came with the wagon. It's actually here, buried underneath a load of coal from where it's spilling out of the wagon. And I made up the inside of the wagon and inside the coal staves with a piece of polystyrene block, just cut to shape quite roughly, painted black, and then I've sprinkled it with coal. And the base is, I painted it grey and then sprinkled on top some Jarvis Scenic Scatter Tarmac colour to produce it. And on the whole, I'm really pleased with how it's come out. It's a nice little model, and really enjoyed doing it, and I hope that you guys that have entered the competition have enjoyed doing your own as well. As a note, obviously I have managed to find a horse and a driver. They came from the Monty's Models at Dark Castings. I'll put a link in the video description below, so that, if you wanted those, you can go and get those, along with all the other products that are in this little diorama. So this is the moment you've all been waiting for, to find out the winner of our cake box challenge for this year. So in third place, winning a gift voucher of £10, is Dan Hornby. So congratulations, Dan. In second place, winning a £25 voucher to spend with us online, is Joesph Dean. So congratulations, Joesph, you've just won yourself a £25 gift voucher. And the top prize, best prize, the one with the most votes, and the winner of our £50 worth of gift vouchers to spend online with us at northwesternmodels.co.uk is Luke Noble. So well done, Luke. Congratulations, you are our winner for 2020. As I'm feeling generous, everybody who has entered will actually receive, and if you haven't won the prizes, don't be put off, because I'm going to actually give you a little something as well as a thank you for taking part. So I'll be in touch with you each individually, so watch out for that little message coming through. So anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed watching the Cake Box Challenge. We have also just released our summer special offer. If you spend £15 or more online with us, you can get yourself free postage. All you need to do is put the words free post in the coupon box at the end, exactly as it is on the screen now. And like I said, you'll get yourself 15% off, and that is valid until midnight on the 31st of August. So go over, get yourself some summer modelling bits and enjoy. So until next time, which will probably be a how to make it video of some description, you guys take care. Don't forget to hit subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and thank you very much for watching, and thank you for taking part in this year's Cake Box Challenge.